In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized active lists of customers in Hubspot CRM. This is a great way to manage your customer data and streamline your communication efforts by making sure you're focusing on the right people. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the login screen. Now, you have the option to sign in using your Google account, which is a fast and efficient method. Click on Sign in with Google and then select the appropriate account. Now that you're signed in, it's time to access the CRM. You'll find the link to your CRM dashboard. You should see a Lists option on this dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Lists section, look for the button labeled Create List at the top right corner and click on it. This action will open up a new interface where you can start building your customized list. In this interface, select Contacts. This ensures that the list you're creating will pull information explicitly from your contact database. Once you've done this, click the Next button to continue. Now, you'll be prompted to set filters for your list. Click on Add Filter. This is where you specify what kind of contacts you want in your list. The next step involves configuring your filters further. Click on the drop-down that says Contact Current Object. In this drop-down, you'll select Contact. This action refines the filter to ensure we're only pulling from the contact records. After this, there's an additional drop-down titled Contact Associated Object. Click on it and once again select Contact. This further narrows down the criteria to give you a more focused list. Next, click on Contact Properties. This will allow you to apply even more specific criteria. In this section, click on Last Contacted. Now we're going to adjust the time frame to ensure our list is relevant and timely. Look for the drop-down that probably defaults to today. You'll want to change this setting to Last 30 days. This selection means your list will only include contacts you've interacted with in the past month. Once all these criteria are set, we're approaching the final steps. Click on Review and Save at the top right corner. This gives you one last chance to glance over your selections and ensure everything looks correct. If everything checks out, the last thing you'll do is click on Save and Process List. It's located on the right side of your screen. Your list will now be processed and you're all done. By following these steps, you've successfully created a customized active list in Hubspot CRM. Now you can use this list to enhance your marketing strategies or communication campaigns, focusing on the customers that matter most. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.